Okay, so let's go over some OneNote basics to get your OneNote all set up. So we're going to open up OneNote. And this arrow here will allow you to switch between your different notebooks. So we'll select a notebook. You should name them based on class, I think, and give the year so that each year can have a unique name. So a different name for my physics class this year versus last year. Once you've selected your notebook, you can make a new page and a new section. So you should treat the sections in your notebooks as if they're maybe sections in your book or different content areas in the curriculum map, and then make different pages for each of the things that you're going to be doing in that section. So as an example, try to have just a little bit on each page. You know, keep the content focused. So what's one basic or main idea that I'd like to communicate with the students, and we'll use this page to do that, or maybe example one from the book, and then I'm going to switch to a new page or add a new page down here to do the next example. Try to resist doing everything from the class on one page. It'll make it hard for the students to see what's going on. So if it's a nice time to take a break or switch to something new, make a new page. You can switch the pages by doing a double tap and drag with the mouse, or you can just do a long press and drag with your fingers. So what you saw there was, if I do a long press, that little square comes up. If I can drag with my finger, or I can do a long press and let go, and then it'll give me options like copying the page so that I can duplicate it, or as I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete this page. Okay, so you're going to probably eventually want to have one notebook for each of your classes, and you can add sections as you go throughout the year, and pages as you need them. One way to think about it would be, start on a blank page. Here I've got some stuff already going, but you could start on a blank page, treat it like you would treat it.
Please dial 1100.
Treat it like you would treat the whiteboard, and then when you would naturally feel like it's time to erase the whiteboard and start with something new, just click New Page instead. Okay, next, probably the most important feature is this draw menu here. You're probably going to want to set up the pens the way you like. So we can click on a pen, and then there's a little arrow here. We can click down and we can set the line weight and the color. If you run out of pens, you can click this button here to add more pens so that they're all there at the touch of a button. So that's our basic functionality.